Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are just a few minutes before this hourly candle closes, and I'm just going to take a buy. I will show you why. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see something there. I mean, let's just do that so that I just help you to see it. What I'm seeing. Sometimes these patterns they do work out when it comes to synthetic indices. They do sometimes work out. So just bear that in mind that your normal forex trading patterns they do sometimes work, especially when you combine them with those levels that I have there. So you can clearly see why I am taking this trade. We are going to start a new hourly candle very soon, but I could not wait for that because of what I believe I am seeing. Sometimes you just have to be have conviction. You'll probably lose or you probably win, but sometimes the scared money does not make any money. You see, so the scared money makes no money. So sometimes you just have to take the gamble. Of course, sometimes you lose, but it's part of the game. It's part of the game. You lose, you rise up, and you do it again, and you learn. So if you can see my balance, it's actually better from yesterday's video. Actually, what happened yesterday afternoon, I nearly lost the account. I took a stupid gamble. I don't know where the clip is. I tried to look for it to edit to this video, but I could not find it. But I took a stupid gamble and yeah, I think I got cocky and tried to go against my rules. I think in the morning I told you guys that sometimes just have a target, make your money, and call it a day. So I attempted to make more money in the afternoon, and it nearly went sour. But fortunately, I got out with some money. So today we are back again, and yeah, I'm keeping a watchful eye on this. Uh, I wouldn't want to lose like in front of you guys. I'm hoping that we can take this to the 10,000. Today is, I think, day 3 or is it day 4? So we'll see how much money we are going to make today. But you can see why I took that buy trade there. I am not saying that it's going to play out exactly as I've plotted there. I'm just saying it might or it might not. So yeah, in case it doesn't work out. So yeah, if you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing. I'll see the links in the description box below. Let's make this money. Otherwise, I will catch you in the next video, guys. Some music.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase the bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. Slowly now, I'll give up everything. Daunting thought, if I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what I wanna reality. Don't let go, don't let go. I'll make things
just wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person. I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always destined for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many ones that are so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python. Grab what I like real fast, stroke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it. Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they drag the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You could